Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I customized this wig that was sent to me by EvaWigs.com. It's a gorgeous wig, but I still had to do a little bit of tweaking to get it to fit me just the way I like it. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, just keep on watching this video. And yes, this video is sponsored by EvaWigs, so just letting y'all know, okay? Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, join the XO gang. Let's get on with the video. So to start, I'm going to be using the Tresemme mousse, a spray bottle of water, 2 pairs of tweezers, just because I like to switch back and forth depending on, I don't know how I'm feeling, I guess. I'm also going to be using this razor and a tail comb. So here's the wig. It is a sleek, straight bob cut lace front human hair wig inspired by Kylie Jenner. And this is what the hairline looks like right now. It's not too bad. It looks like they already did some plucking. So there's not a lot that I have to do here, which is great. But I do want to go a little bit behind the hairline because it's a little bit dense. I just wanted to make it look a little bit more natural. So I'm going to apply some of this mousse to the hair that I'm going to be working with, just to make sure that it's not flying all over the place. I need to stay in place so that I can work with it. You feel me? Once I've applied the mousse, I'm just gonna secure the lace down with this pin, and I'm just gonna get right to plucking, okay? So I am gonna pluck a little bit of that hairline, just a little bit. Now, when you're plucking, you don't want to pluck too much in the same area, or else you're gonna end up with a bald spot like me. And I'm gonna show you guys in a second that little bald spot that I got, but it was nothing too crazy. It's something that I can easily hide. So I'm just showing you guys where I'm parting the hair. So I'm gonna go a little bit behind the hairline and just start plucking. And this is pretty much all I'm gonna do. It's all kind of self-explanatory. You can pretty much see everything that I'm doing, so I don't really need to talk much. But yeah, I'm just gonna pluck away. This took me maybe like half an hour to do. Actually, maybe less than half an hour. It probably took me about 15 minutes to pluck. So you guys can just see exactly where I was plucking the wig to get this to look as natural as possible. Oh, and here is that bald spot that I was talking about. Yeah, I was plucking too much in that area, but it's an easily hideable area. No one's gonna see that, so it's all good. plucking, I like to stop for a few seconds and just comb the area that I've been plucking out, just to make sure that I haven't plucked too much. Do a little bit at a time, guys. It's better that you under pluck than over pluck. Otherwise, you're just gonna have bald. You're just gonna have bald. It's gonna be a bald wig. Just, you know, yeah, it's gonna suck. So just take your time and use that comb to, you know, give yourself an idea of how much plucking you've been doing, and then you can decide whether or not you want to keep going or move on to the next area. Okay, so now once I'm pretty satisfied with the hairline, I'm just gonna move on to a part. Now the wig already had a part in it, but the part was on the opposite side of my head, and it's not my good side. So I had to make a part on the other side. So I'm just gonna part exactly where I want it to go. And if you're not sure exactly where you want to put this, you can put the wig on your head, part it, and then put it back on the mannequin so that you can see what you're doing. But I pretty much knew exactly where it was supposed to go. I've worn enough wigs to know by now. But I'm just gonna pluck the same way I did to the hairline, and pluck and pluck and pluck until I'm satisfied. I never pluck my parts too much, just in case the wig is gonna bald or something like that. And I can always use concealer and foundation to make the part look even wider. I just don't like to, you know, cause any extra shedding or damage to the wig. But this is what we are looking like now. Yes, she is coming together. Actually, later that night, I believe. So here I'm applying some foundation or some concealer, I don't know, to the part. And of course, I messed it up a little bit. But it's okay. We're going to fix it in a second. We're going to fix it. All right, so here I am again the next day, same wig. And the hairline is looking really good. It looks so much better. It looks more natural, less full, and it's just looking really good, guys. This wig is so pretty. And it's great for those of you who don't have time to make your own wigs, don't know how to make your own wigs. This wig is already made for you, so you have a lot less work to do. So I'm just going to take this black eyeliner pencil and cover the areas that got a little bit too much foundation or powder on them, because we don't want them looking white. So I'm just gonna cover those hairs, and I'm gonna try not to mark the lace so that I don't turn it black. So now that the hairline is looking exactly how I want it to look, I'm just going to razor those sideburns to make them look a little bit shorter and more natural, of course. That's what we're going for. Natural, 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 okay? We don't want our wigs to look like actual wigs, you know? But once I've razored the sideburns, now I'm finally done. This is the final look. This is what I am working with. Like I said, this wig is very gorgeous. The hair is amazing. It feels great. It's super soft. It's shiny. It's just a really good quality wig. So if you're looking for an affordable quality wig, I would definitely recommend EvaWigs, because this wig is it's really good. It's so cute, guys. If you think it's as cute as I do, then give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel once again, okay? And follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequiraXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!